queridos televidentes, nós estamos aqui na Amsterdam, na Tropen Theater. Nós vamos a parte de show, 40 minutos. Victor Sams, nós temos também Marcela Gibbs junto conosco. Marcela, what can you tell me about this whole presentation? Because you're going to be in Rotterdam too.
Yes, well, this whole presentation came about through Victor Sams, which one time he called and he asked me to send some of those old time, music and things for him. So we continued talking and emailing. Then we said, okay, we'll come and take a group and come along. So both myself and Victor and Kali, they are very good dancers, as you can see, and they did a good job. And we were glad to be here. It was nice.
Yes, because always they forget St. Martin's Abbey Central Stages.
It's true, always. Huh? It's over the years, it's like that. Because we are just a small little island, sometimes we are pushed aside, But when we really come out to do what we did tonight, we really put everything into it.
Victor, you said it does not matter how many people that were present, everybody were enjoying themselves.
Yes, that's the most important for us. Because, we come from a small community, so it's not about how many people. It's about, whatever you have, you just be satisfied and you just enjoy.
You take things the way they come.
Yes. It's true. When I came down, said, of course, you could think, oh, there's not more. No, I was very happy because I knew some of the people in the public, and I was just happy that they were there. And the other thing is that I did all the years I'm here, I never had much chance to perform for my people, so I felt just extremely proud to be able to perform tonight.
So you don't live here, you live on station?
No, I live here.
You live here?
But I work within the African scene. I work in the urban, the alternative scene. And, our people, they stay to themselves, So in the field that I'm working, I've been organized, for 10 years I've been organized the biggest African cultural festival with big artists from our, but I saw one person from my island ever came. They never, because it's a completely different area. So it's just that the area that I was working in, my people was out there.
Okay, what I can tell you is we from Nos TV. Nos TV is our TV, and it means like a multimedia platform to perform the voices which are not being heard, to give us a platform. So I'm going to get in contact with you, and I'm going to help you with what you do. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, fantastic. I'm very glad to have seen only 40 minutes of the show. We're going to make a small promo. Why don't you invite the people to come and see Victor in Rotterdam?
Okay, we invited the general public to come out to see Victor and his group, from Statia on Saturday in Rotterdam. It's going to be nice, and I'm very glad to be here because I think Statia need to be more promoted, more to be, to come out in the outer world and really show the outer world what we have. We have a lot to offer, but we don't have sometimes the means to really,
Well,
but I don't agree with what you say, coming to see Victor. You don't have to come see, you have to come to see the Statia culture. Me, I'm not important. It's the cultural thing.
True Victor, we are here. True Victor, we are here.
And if I understand it good, if you can sing, come and sing with us. And if you can dance, come and dance with us.
Yes.
Sing to dance, you just come and enjoy.
Yes, it was very nice, tonight.
You almost got me also on the stage dancing.
I didn't see you. That's right. I didn't know I know you.
But I had to do a job.
On Saturday night, we get you on the stage. On Saturday night, okay.
I see myself. Can you get me one of these outfits? Because I think I know the dance.
I think one for you and one for your cameraman and one for this other guy here in the corner. I'm gonna cover suit for you all.
And what kind of instrument is this?
This is the hunter's instrument.
And can you play something on it?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, watch out.
I'm gonna play our national anthem. Golden Rock, I've always missed you, yeah. When I am far from thee, never ever I forget you, no, wheresoever I may be. Between the deep blue ocean and the Caribbean Sea, where the waves are all in motion, lies a person dear to me. From the quill right down to the little mountain, from Venice to Atwa, long ago a golden fountain once a diamond waterfall. Golden Rock, I've always missed you, yeah. When I am far from thee, no, no. Never ever I forget you, no, no, no. Wheresoever I may be. Golden Rock, I've always missed you. When I am far from thee, never ever I forget you, wheresoever I may be. You see, the difference is this is the way we sing it. And when I played with the African instrument, one thing I'm trying to demonstrate also that we are connected to Africa, that we can use the African rhythms, use the instrument, and we can still transform our music because we are just Africans as well. And that's one thing I'm trying to also demonstrate with my music.
Now I have to travel 1 hour back, so you're not going to leave me on this leg. You need one more. I have 2 legs.
Yeah, okay. What you want to hear?
You tell me.
Then I'm going to play one of my favorite.
Okay, do that.
It's a song I learned in Africa. Ni lille ma din koro, ni lille ma, yeah. The bad man you from Philo. Her ma din kono. I'm a dinko no, yeah. Ni lille ma dinko no, ni lille ma. The bottom man you from Philo. I'm a dinko no. I'm a dinko no.
Where did you learn to play this?
I learned a little bit in Africa, and the rest I learned myself.
And is your father still alive?
No, he's not.
He should see you now playing devil music.
yeah. You know, I really would like to know because I always wanted them so much to understand that this was also our thing, you know.
Yeah,
but they never, until the last day, they were never into this sort of music.
But let me tell you, you're staying upstairs and enjoying what you're doing right now.
Thank you. And I really appreciate that you say that because it's always been that way. My mother was a singer and I always adore her. And I always thought, I hope that she could, you know, understand that although I'm not in their way, you know, that it's just what I feel and what I thought. And I believe that's the way it is. You know, people come into the world and you have your parents, you can follow them or you can just choose your natural form and your road.
But I will stay with your reasoning when you were small because you said, why is devil music better than the other music?
Yeah, it's true because I really question it in that way. But it's true. I mean, there's you know, I don't like. I mean, here in Holland, it's true. I'm the first among even all the black people who travel. I traveled with a bus to Africa in '88. Yeah. And when I came to Africa, the guy said to me, "You are the first one from Holland." In many areas I came, people were not going to Africa. Not even Dutch people were going there. So, and all these things that happened to me through my life, you don't understand, but somehow as a kid, I just always was fantasizing for something more than the island. And it seems that I have achieved I got to go all the places. I got to go to Africa. I got to learn more about our history. And right now I'm really just having fun and I'm just happy to express what I know and also with my people from my country through our music and through our way of thinking.
Next Saturday, at what time will you be performing in the Doelen?
We perform at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock in the evening.
10 o'clock, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to see because you got me in a very, very tight schedule. But we will be there because I like what you do, and I will always try to connect also with the people from Saba St. Martin's Station because that's the voice of Nos TV. Nos TV is the voice you don't hear. We give them the chance to be heard. So watch me, Victor.
Thank you.
We will meet again. I have your number. I have your telephone number. We see each other Saturday, and I wish you a lot of success.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Querido televidentes, queda pendiente. Victor também lo tem, já sabe agora. Na de doelen, Chimbe ele tem, is a link lista tem. Quer queda pendiente, nós vamos sacar para um back junto com o Victor, para nós ter bom shot. Nós esperamos que lo botei para o gosto de che. Nós invitamos para botei, para nós por passa bom e do na grupo na de sábado, set março, centro stage também é reconhecimento que nós também recebemos. Já sabe agora na de doelen. Não perde.